Web3 crew? It's me, Krista right here at the Gyrex Global, powered by Expand North Star. My name is Krista and I am with the CEO of Joii, Miss Justyna. Hi, how are you today?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm good, and I love the energy. She's so pretty. She's so positive. How's the event so far?
Yeah, it's been great. Very busy. A lot of potential partners, customers, users, investors, hopefully. So yeah, it's been going really well. Thank you.
Is this your first time to be one of the exhibitors here at Gyrex Global?
Yes, that's our first time. Yeah.
Do you have any expectations for this event this year?
Yeah, definitely. We would like to meet potential partners and investors and just promote our product. We only launched in the UK and Ireland a few months ago, so it's brand new. So it's great to get the exposure, like speaking to you as well. So thank you so much.
Now let's talk about Joii, and what do you guys specialize in?
So Joii is basically this kind of app that measures period volume and clot sizes simply by scanning a pad. So a user wears our product, our pads, as a normal form of protection, and then using the app, they scan the pad and they can see volume of their period instantly on the screen. And the app can also measure clot sizes. And the app basically tells users if their period is normal, so within 40 to 50 milliliters according to clinical standards, or if it's heavy, so that's over 80 milliliters. And with heavy periods, currently there is no really convenient or accurate way to measure periods. With heavy periods, there can be a symptom of many conditions like endometriosis, fibroids, and on average, it takes many years to diagnose those conditions. So we are basically hoping to help with diagnosis time. And in addition to logging and measuring their period volume and clot sizes, users can also log their symptoms. And we have already completed 2 clinical trials in the UK. So the app is registered as a Class 1 medical device in the UK. And we have proved that the app improves symptom screening, communication between clinicians and patients, health literacy, because people often don't know what is actually normal period. Yeah, because there's no really way to measure it. So yeah, so we noticed from initial traction that very much younger females are interested in the product. They have been using their phones, for all her life, so it's normal for them to use their iPhones or Androids for anything. So that's our kind of initial target market. And then also people who already are experiencing symptoms or many conditions, they also are seeking for validation to confirm if their period is heavy, for example.
That's very future, like I haven't seen a pad that has, that can scan anything, especially if they have conditions or something. They can predict it as well, right? So why did you guys come up and doing this menstrual pad?
So I actually started it following my own personal experience. I had heavy periods, yeah, but I didn't realize they were heavy. There was not a lot of conversations about the volume or clot sizes. When I spoke to my mom, she was just like, just deal with it, just sit on a plastic bag. And I was like, that doesn't sound right, in this time, in 2020. That was in 2020 something. So yeah, I started kind of researching. I very quickly realized that there is no really accurate way to measure period volume, even though I can search, I can find, what is described as heavy bleeding. Again, I was kind of lost. When I was communicating to my GP, I wasn't really confident with describing my heavy period. My doctor asked me how many products I use, how often I change them, but that's very personal. So there was no really data behind it. And we are basically on the mission to give people data, so when they attend their appointments, they feel confident when they communicate their period volume. And other symptoms, they can generate a medical report to show it to their doctors. And yeah, we are starting from volume and clots, but we will be looking at other biomarkers also. We are already working on a pad that can detect iron deficiency anemia, also just from a pad.
That's fantastic. So does this have like any age limit who can use it, or it's safe for everyone, for the teens as well?
Yeah, it's safe for everyone. It's clinically validated. It is a sustainable product, so it's made from organic cotton. And yeah, anybody from the start of their period to age 12, they can use it. Yeah.
So is it available globally right now?
It's currently available in the UK and Ireland, but we are planning to expand beyond. That's why we are also here. We are speaking. We are kind of checking, what is available. And we just, when you approach us, we just spoke to the distributor who works with pharmacies, gynecologists. So this is where we want to be as well. Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, I definitely encourage everyone to check out our product and get data on your period and check if your period is basically normal or heavy.
What do you think is the future of money?
Well, I definitely feel I never have cash with myself at all anymore, so I'm using like my phone. So it's definitely digital, and I am very much into technology, so I am curious myself what's going to happen next. I don't know if there will be like any connections to AI. Our product is already AI backed, but yeah, AI and money, yeah, I would love to see what's next. Yeah.
And now describe this event in one word. Let's go.
Transformative for Joii.
Transformative. I hope you get a lot of insights from her. This is me, Krista. 2 Moons. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.